Introducing Big J's toilet paper, the logger's choice. When you need that extra scrubbing power, Big J's toilet paper leaves you feeling fresh. Hey folks, it's Logger John here, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's kind of cold, but it's sun's out. I've been cutting wood this morning. I'll show you the pile here. So I skidded this stuff out this morning. It's just finished my lunch. It's around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I got some ash, there's some hickory, and over here there's some black cherry. So I'm going to cut this up, and here's my pile of wood. I haven't got around to making a wood pile update, so as you can see, it's all split. And there's my dog checking out the wood. So I got all the wood split, as you can see. And I've cut some more. And I got some alum blocks over there I got to split sometime. And up there's some wood to split. So I'm going to cut this up. But now I'm going to go show you guys something. It's a bit of a surprise. I'm not going to tell you what it is, so just stay tuned. We're going to go and have a look at it. So, do you have your eyes closed? Okay. Keep your eyes closed. What do we have here? It's my new toy. Hasn't even been used. I had it running, but I haven't even used it yet. I picked it up last week. It's a Stihl MS-261 Pro. They were on sale at the local Stihl dealership. So I thought I would pick one up. I sold my MS-270. So it's kind of a cool saw. I don't know if you can see this sticker. Made in Germany. So it's a professional saw. It's about 50 cc. And it's brand new. It's never cut a stick of wood. And I'm going to tackle that pile of wood down there. See how she runs. It's kind of a cool saw. Kind of neat. So we'll see how it goes. And here I have my other saw. It's not a Stihl. It's a Shadawa. It's made by Echo. I bought it new last year. It's a 30 cc saw. I mainly bought it just for light cutting, brush, light limbing, small trees. I haven't really used it that much. It runs really good. So I might try this out some today too on that pile, on the smaller stuff down there. Okay, well, let's go check out this saw and get it running. Okay, meet you down at the wood pile. Well, folks, my first impressions is it has a lot of power for only 50 cc, and it cuts pretty good for sure, and it's not really heavy. I think it's around 10 pounds. Now, I did a lot of research before I bought this saw, and up here in Ontario, I talked to a few of the hydro workers that work for the hydro, and that's mostly what they use around here. They just love the 261s. They're a pro saw, a professional saw, and which makes them a little bit better. They have better components in them, a bunch of different things we'll talk about later, compared to the regular homeowner saw. It cuts really nice. It's balanced really nice. And that's the first bit of wood that's been cut with. I don't know if you can hear that running, but it's kind of bawing out and dying a little bit. I haven't used it since probably 1st of December. Now, this saw, he told me it has a 5-year warranty on it, which is kind of amazing, since my new saw over here only has a 2-year warranty. And the only reason that saw over there has a 2-year warranty is it comes with 1-year warranty. If you want to, you got to buy a case of oil, like still oil, and it gives you another year warranty. Anyways, this has a 5-year warranty on it. I don't even think I've put maybe, I don't know, 6-7 tanks of gas through it. And when I was cutting there, it was kind of bawing out a little bit. He told me to bring it back after so many tanks. I think he said like 8 or 9 tanks of fuel, and they'll adjust the carburetor. So I'm thinking that's what I need to do, because it ran fine when I used it last. So I might take that into the dealership, and I think he said, I'll have to check, but I think he said 8 tanks or 10 tanks of fuel, bring it back in, and they'll adjust the carburetor. Okay guys, we got that cut up, stacked up, ready to split. And now I'm going to take you guys up to the truck and we're going to bring the saws up there and we're going to have a look at them. Okay, I'll see you up there. Okay folks, we're up here at the back of the truck here, looking at the saws. So this one was running a little bit, it was kind of bowing out like I said, so I'm going to take it into the dealership and he said to bring it in and he'll adjust the carburetor. So to get in this one you just kind of flip these up. There's two little latches on the back of it, pull the top off. There's the spark plug, the filter. A little bit different. That's a good little saw. You know, for what I wanted. I can't get this back on. There we go, I think. It's not quite on there. There we go. And you just hook these. And you hook this side. It's a good little saw for what I want. I just kind of bought it for, it's great for brushing small trees. You wouldn't want to cut, you know, 2 or 3 cord of wood with it, but good deal. It was on sale. And like I said before, it's made by Echo. It's a Japanese company. And this is the new saw here, the 261C professional saw. The only thing I didn't really like about it, on the old saws, you just pull the thing here, you turn the thing here, and the back would pop off. But this one here, you got to use your wrench. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. And you just turn these. And there's 3 of them. There's one back here. And then this whole top will pop off. Give access to the air filter. Your spark plug. I like this air filter here. It's kind of cool. It's supposed to be a long-lasting air filter. It's supposed to last twice as long as the old one. Just turn it, put it back on and turn it. And the saw is supposed to be 20% better on fuel compared to the other older saw. I don't know what they're really comparing it to. I guess they're comparing it to their other saws, the non-professional ones. And I don't know if you can see this on this little thing here. You pop it out. You gotta get it out of there. It's a little plastic thing. So right now this is on winter mode, and for the summer you turn it around and put it in this way, but right now it's on winter mode. It just slides back in there. I don't know if you can see it down in there. So basically what it does is it lets heat into the carburetor to heat up the carburetor when it's really cold out. And like I say, when the warm weather comes, you turn that around so you don't need the heat on the carburetor. Kind of different. So that's the beast there. So she really cuts, she really winds up. Now what they told me at the dealership was that it's 50cc, because I was looking at a bigger saw, I think it was a 271 maybe. It was just, it wasn't a professional saw, but it was 58cc. And they said this saw, even though it's 50cc, it has more output than the 58cc. I didn't really understand that, but it just, I guess the motor just winds out on this. I mean, when I was cutting that wood down there, it was just cutting like crazy. So this just goes back on. You gotta turn these. Gotta hold it, turn it, and they just snap. Hard to do it with one hand here. I'm not sure if I like this system or not. kind of like the old system where you could, the old system though, it was a two-piece. This didn't come off, it was just the back where the filter, so it's a whole different system. And then on the bottom of this one, right here, you can adjust the oil on the chain, either a little more oil or less oil. So far I'm impressed with it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. And we'll get some more wood cut. We'll get some splitting. I didn't make a splitting video. I split all that wood like last week, and I didn't make a splitting video. I made some splitting videos last year, so if you want to see me splitting wood, look at some of my old videos. I might make a little bit of a wood splitting video on this wood there that I cut today, but we'll see. Okay, we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.